Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video for you guys, and yeah, I will unbox my Planner Perfect sub box. I resubscribed for April and May, so I want to share what's inside. I already took everything out and out of the package, so it's a little bit easier to show you guys. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to start again in my Planner Perfect monthly. Until now I used the 6 months again from Planner Perfect, so this will stay in my setup. I will do another video very soon on a planner update, so you can see what's going on with all my planners. I have been in astrology for January, February and a bit of March, but only a bit of March. And yeah, I'm going to talk about all about this in another video. So my astrology was working like the Planner Perfect monthly plan book. In general, you could say I used it for my dailies mostly, and I also did use a Planner Perfect journal for journaling. I just took it out. So, but I will do another flip on this later on. So for this sub box I used my rewards. I had 25 bucks rewards I could use. Unfortunately, I couldn't use another coupon code or gift card with it, so you can't stack any codes with Planner Perfect as far as I could see and what I was reading. I actually wanted to use my gift card I got from my better half to my birthday, but it doesn't work with a sub box. So the subscription boxes are excluded from gift cards, but so I was able to use my rewards, and that's okay. So we have the Planner Perfect card, and yeah, I would say let's start with the beautiful journal. I decided to go with a full box because I didn't know if I want to subscribe for just 1 month or 2 months, and I really loved the sneak of it, and so in case I wouldn't do May, I would have another journal to go through May. And yeah, this is just a blank journal, and it's so beautiful. I love tulips a lot. This is the back of it, and here we have the April monthly plan book, and it's gorgeous. It's pretty. It's so pretty. Yeah, I really love it. And this is a monthly plan book. Yeah, I already put something in here. This is from Sterling Ink. What I want to add to my cover page. And so you have your monthly view, you have your goals, and you have weeklies, and then you have your dailies in between. And yeah, how I will use the monthly and the weeklies, because I have the same setup in my 6 month agenda. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, you will see what I'm going to do. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to starting it. And I also want to say that I might going to start next week. Usually I'm team starting a new book on the new month, on Friday the 1st. But this time, as I didn't set up any dailies anymore on my Stellargy for the last couple of weeks, and I was thinking, yeah, why I don't start in it on the 28th. And there's no no reason why I couldn't start right away. So yeah, let's see. Okay, then we also got this cute washi tape. I will show you. Let's take it. I'm showing you right now. I think this is super cute. These are the 3 washi tapes. I must say I really like these 2 washi tapes. This one is okay, but it's definitely not my favorite. I will show you, I think last year we got these 3 washi tapes. The flowers are also really cute, and this little bunny, it's also cute, but I really don't know why, but I prefer washi tape laid out like this and not like this. I don't know why. This is just a preference, a personal preference. And I like this bunny washi a little bit more. Okay, then let's go to the tip-ins. So I really like these new tip-ins with a monthly calendar on it. Super cute. The girl, it's just so lovely. Also the tulips. This super cute bunny. I really love this one. And yeah, this is so cool because I like to ride the bike, and we did a bike tour, and yeah, that works with bike riding. And yeah, I could use it on those days where we went out and about and did and doing a bike ride. And yeah, this one. So these are the tip-ins. And here we have the stickers, and we have some new stickers like the tulips, the eggs, I think, the strawberries. Yeah, this is everything else has been from different from past subscription boxes. And here we also have some new stickers, and some from old subscription boxes, but super cute. Really, I really also love this one, and I feel it's a wonderful spring-like box, and I'm really looking forward to be in a Planner Perfect journal again. And there's yeah, wait a minute, I read that the planner pages, the paper is a little bit different. I think it's the same Strathmore journaling paper, but it's not cream anymore. It's now a bright white, and just let me see. This is my journal, and I don't know if you can see the difference. It's really a nice, lovely, lighter, creamy paper. I can't describe it. This was a different paper too. It had a lot of texture for like 3 or 4 months, and I really didn't like this one at all. I don't know if you can see it. It has a lot of grit to it, and you actually really can see it. Yeah, maybe now. And I really writing on it, and yeah, wasn't fun. So I'm really glad that there's no grit to it or texture. And yeah, it looks really bright white, which I prefer, I think, because every time I printed out a habit tracker on copy paper and glued it in, and I had like a little bit of the paper, yeah, if I didn't cover the whole page, it bothered me a lot, the difference of the brightness of the paper, if you can follow me. So the cream and the bright white of the printer paper. So I hope this will save this little issue. Yeah, or this was the solution of this little issue. Nevertheless, or however is the right word, I think. I love it. So, just something to note if you prefer the cream paper. And yeah, you guys, that's it so far. I will try my best to do another video on my planner update, yeah, the following days, and I wish you a wonderful and amazing first day or Friday, whenever this video will be online. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.